Welcome to RNL City, the future of learning, business, and community. RNL City is an immersive digital world created by the Rough and Narrow Lab, where students of all ages can learn through virtual reality. We bring together real businesses, real professionals, and real opportunities, all inside one interactive metaverse. From science and technology to entrepreneurship and career development, learning finally feels alive. This isn't a game, it's a global learning ecosystem. Step into the future. Visit roughandnarrowlab.com and enter RNL City today. RNL City. Celebrate the resource.